Here we come to the elevator at the Boscovs Department store at the Mill Creek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is the former Sears. The elevator has been modernized since then. It used to be an Otis selection, then it was modernized with Adams. Giant elevator sign.
Ooh, nice buttons.
It's got new doors, and there's our, I think an EPCO of some sort.
You said it's EPCO. EPCO fixture. Yeah. Oh, wow. Cool.
Alright, it's got the same cab, but it's been redone.
What's an Otis?
No, it isn't.
Really? It says Otis.
Yeah, it was Otis.
What is this done?
Like Schindler or something.
I swear it said Otis, but you said it's. You say you're considering Schindler. Looks pretty nice in here.
Good one. Alright, so it says the original installation was 1973, according to this.
You said it was a Schindler. That's from '73.
Possibly Schindler. No, it wasn't Otis.
Really?
They replaced it, they upgraded it though.
But how come it's an Otis?
Because they kept the same cab.
Really?
Same cab, they say they kept the same door track.
So they just modernized it, right?
Yep.
So it's one that Schindler bought. It changed it to a. Wait, once it Otis, but changed it to
Alright, we're gonna make it the. Okay,
So,
and that's it.
so that was it.